everyone, this is just a recipe I made for the Christmas, and this is what I had for the Christmas. I didn't want to cook anything stressful. This is a combination of spring mix, arugula, green peas, onions, chicken breast, and 2 different dressing I wanted to try. The easiest way to make the salad last you for a day or 2 is using hot water. Yeah, I said hot water. And when I mean using hot water, you just pour it in a bowl on the veggies before you dice it. You squeeze out the water, you drain the water, squeeze out the water, then put it on a chopping board and dice it. Same goes for the carrots, but the carrots, I use my processor in shredding it. Turn the carrots into a bowl, then pour some hot water on top of the carrots. Let it steam for 5 minutes. Trust me, you're not losing any nutrients, rather you're gaining the major carotene nutrients. Separate all your ingredients in a separate dish or bowl so it does not get mashed up and messy. Yes, I decided to make this carrot muffin. Just wanted to give it a try and see how it's going to turn out this time, because a couple of weeks ago I made it and it was like a sponge. Oh my god, I was so disappointed in myself that today I have to try again, and this time around it came out so moist. As you can see, it's looking so moist that I was even stealing out of it just to be sure that okay, yes, while I was doing this video. But well, everything turned out great, and as you can see, it's looking so rich. Please try this recipe. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching. As always, bye.